Welcome to the stream. So today I would like to share with you a Python desktop automation tool I just built. So it was my first tool. So I'm very excited to share with you all. So if you have been following me on Instagram, I have been doing some UI design to code challenges and posting them on Instagram. So today I just posted my 10th project. So I have been doing all this coding, HTML, CSS coding on CodePen, so that anyone can just come to the link and just play with the code or just learn from them. On top of that, I was sharing the full source code on GitHub. So basically, if you see all these projects, you can find the source code on GitHub. So it involves some boring tasks, like after finishing the coding on CodePen, I have to come here and take a screenshot, then create a new folder on desktop, rename it, then pull the readme template, then index.html, then style.css, then rename the title in all the places, then change the CodePen link on the readme file. If you see, this is how it looks like. Change the project name here, then change the UI design link, then change the CodePen link. So it involves some repetitive tasks which could be automated. So I just tried my hands on automating some of the tasks, not fully, but yeah, the goal was to learn basics of automation using Python, one of the Python library called pyautogui. So let's see how the automation tool works. So basically, it takes in the project name, then the CodePen link, then the UI design daily link. So once the project starts running, it just goes and creates a new folder. Then it grabs a screenshot from the downloads folder and put it in the new folder, then does all the changes in the index.html, including changing the heading, changing the links, then goes to readme, then make the changes, then does git init, then link it with the github repo, and does the initial commit and push. So let's see if it works. I mean, it was working. So basically, like these two projects I push them to GitHub using the automation tool I just built. So let's see. So first step is to, so this is how the workflow goes. After finishing the coding, I just take a screenshot from here, screenshot of the CodePen. And I save it to the downloads folder. Let's replace the old image. Then I come here and I create a new empty folder on GitHub. So let's name it let me test. Then let's add this. Like I have been following this naming convention where there will be a project name, then followed by dash HTML5 dash CSS3 dash UI practice. So it's basically easy to follow up. So here I added the name, created the name, let me test, and here we are naming it let me test. So let's create the empty folder now. Okay, so now we have an empty folder here. So now let's try running the project, running the Python automation tool. So the name is right. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so now it will go and create a new folder on desktop and changes to that folder, and pulls the screenshot and add it to the folder. Now it's going to index.html and changing all the heading and links. Done. Now it's doing git push after git init commit, initial commit. So now it's asking for username, so the bot will write my username and password. Okay, all looks good. And now it's pushing, and the push was successful. So now let's refresh the GitHub for that project. Okay, so basically now you can see from a empty git repo, we now have a git repo with the name of the project we wanted. Then it automatically added the UI design link, and it automatically added also the CodePen project link, and the screenshot is here. We can see the screenshot image. And yeah, so basically did all those stuff, like for so basically it also adds, like if you go to the style.css, we can see that it also added the font family, then did the universal styling, then added the basic styling to the body, including font family and stuff. So yeah, that's how it works. So yeah, it was a great learning experience. Like I got to learn. Means desktop project automation is something new to me. So now it opens up, like once you do a project, it opens up a bit of confidence in you that you can try other things, other projects also. So if we have some automation project ideas, just comment them down. We will try to make them in the let's code to the project, let's code to the series. So that's all for the video. So yeah, that's it. Take care. Have a nice day.